CyberArk PAM-CDE RECERT exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In a PAM deployment, which account has unrestricted access to all stored credentials in the vault? A. Administrator. B. Any member of vault administrators. C. Any member of auditors. D. Master. The answer is D. The master user is the only account with full, unrestricted access to every password and credential stored in the vault. While administrators and auditors have elevated roles, their access is limited to their assigned permissions and policies. During PAM deployment on a Linux host, after installing the Tomcat web application for the HTML5 gateway using the RPM package, what is the next step in the installation process? A. Deploy the HTML5 service, GUI CD. B. Secure the connection between GUI CD and the web app. C. Secure the web app and JWT validation endpoint. D. Configure ASLR. The answer is A. Once the Tomcat web app for the HTML5 gateway is installed, the next required step is to deploy the GUI CD service, which handles session rendering, security hardening, e.g., securing connections or JWT validation, and system-level protections, like ASLR, are done afterward. In the event of suspected credential theft, which automatic remediation action can Privileged Threat Analytics (PTA) trigger to protect privileged accounts? A. Password change. B. Password reconciliation. C. Session suspension. D. Session termination. The answer is A. PTA automatically initiates a password change to remediate suspected credential theft. This prevents further misuse of the compromised account. While session controls, suspension or termination, are handled by session management, PTA focuses on securing credentials by enforcing immediate rotation. To enable fault tolerance for multiple privileged session managers, PSMs, which requirement must be met? A. Use a load balancer. B. Use a backup solution. C. CPM must be in all data centers. D. Install the vault in an HA cluster. The answer is A. PSM fault tolerance is achieved by deploying multiple PSM servers and distributing traffic through a load balancer. Backup solutions or HA vault clustering ensure resilience in other PAM components, but they are not specific requirements for PSM fault tolerance. In a PAM deployment, what is the main function of the private ARC database service? A. Communicates with components. B. Sends email alerts from the vault. C. Executes password changes. D. Maintains vault metadata. The answer is D. The private ARC database service is responsible for storing and maintaining the vault's internal data and metadata, ensuring proper indexing and management of objects. Other services handle communication, password rotations, or alerting functions. Which safe member permission set allows end users to log in transparently to a remote machine without exposing or copying the password? A. Use accounts. Retrieve accounts. List accounts. B. Use accounts. List accounts. C. Use accounts. D. List accounts. Retrieve accounts. The answer is B. Use accounts enables users to initiate connections with credentials stored in the vault. List accounts allows users to see which accounts are available. Without retrieve accounts, the password itself cannot be viewed or copied, ensuring secure, transparent access. When creating a shared safe for the help desk team, what important consideration must be followed regarding the naming convention? A. Ensure your naming convention is no longer than 20 characters. B. Combine environments, owners, and platforms to minimize the total number of safes created. C. Safe owners should determine the safe name to make it easy for them to remember. D. The use of these characters v. Asterisk is not allowed. The answer is D. Safe names must follow naming restrictions. Certain special characters v. Asterisk are not permitted. While naming standards for length and structure may vary by organization, the system enforces this specific restriction to ensure vault compatibility. When configuring a dual control workflow for a team's safe, which permissions must be granted to the approvers group? A. List accounts. Authorize account request. B. Retrieve accounts. Access safe without confirmation. C. Retrieve accounts. Authorize account request. D. List accounts. Unlock accounts. The answer is A. For dual control, approvers need the ability to view available accounts, list accounts, and approve or deny access requests. Authorize account request. They do not require direct retrieval or usage rights, since their role is limited to oversight and authorization. In the PVWA, which built-in group members have default permissions to view and configure automatic remediation and session analysis and response settings? A. Vault admins. B. Security admins. C. Security operators. D. Auditors. The answer is B. The Security Admins Group manages security-related features such as automatic remediation and session analysis and response, SAR. Vault admins control the vault itself, security operators focus on operational tasks, and auditors only review activity without configuration privileges. Which of the following privileged threat analytics (PTA) detections are included in the core PA offering? A. Suspected credential theft. B. Overpass the hash. C. Golden ticket. D. Unmanaged privileged access. The answer is D. The core PA PTA includes detection for suspected credential theft, which identifies potential misuse of privileged credentials. Advanced detections such as overpass the hash or golden ticket attacks require additional PTA modules, while unmanaged privileged access falls under broader PAM monitoring.